Model in machine learning. A model is a mathematical representation that learns patterns from data to make predictions or decisions. It is the output of a machine learning algorithm trained on a dataset. Think of a model as a recipe that has been perfected through practice. Just as a chef learns which ingredients work best together by cooking repeatedly, a model learns which patterns in data lead to accurate predictions by processing examples. The model captures the relationship between inputs and outputs. A spam email filter is a classic example of a model. It is trained on thousands of emails labeled as spam or not spam, learning to recognize patterns like specific words, sender addresses, and formatting. Once trained, the model can classify new incoming emails automatically. This is similar to how machine learning itself works as the foundation for creating these models. Models are the core deliverable of machine learning projects. They enable automation, power recommendation systems, drive medical diagnoses, and support financial forecasting. Without models, data would remain just numbers. Model in machine learning.